Welcome. If you want to download pictures from Instagram on your Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro, at the first you have to get application from Play Store, and we are going to download Repost for Instagram application. So let's type here that, and we have to get this application from Kimsi929. So let's get it. Right now we have to click open, and as you can see, we got two ways how we can download these pictures, right? Pictures of photos. We can use share icon and these three dots in the right upper corner. So let's go for our Instagram, and let's take for example this picture. I'm going to use three dots, select share, find your Repost for Instagram application, and after that we have to open this up. Then click on the photo. We can take off this signature by clicking right here, and when you want to save this photo to the gallery, click here. So right now let's open our gallery or file manager, images, and here it is. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.